Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Driving with a cylinder 1 misfire is not recommended. It can lead to increased fuel consumption, reduced engine performance, and potentially damage other engine components. Misfires can also cause increased emissions, which is harmful to the environment. It's best to address the issue promptly by visiting a mechanic. Common causes include faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, or fuel injectors. Early diagnosis and repair can prevent more costly damages and ensure safe driving conditions.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.